So, yung ID ko.
May notes ako.
This is what it feels like. Papunta ka palang, pawi na ako.
Taran!
Hacker mode. We are tired.
Hey guys, it's me, Mark Arnel Pelayo, or y'all can call me Kong. So, I'm gonna take you for today's video is yung balak ko po today or yung content ng vlog is probably a week in the life of a computer science student. Kung nanood nyo yung unang vlog ko, like a week in the life of a day in the life of a computer science student, but na-post ko sa YouTube, na-post ko dito, but I private it na kasi I find it cringe. So, kung nanood mo na yon, you're the lucky one. You're lucky. Lucky Vicky. Today is September 1. So, happy Fairmont! Woo! Yeah. So, September 1 na ngayon. And, yung schedule namin today is dalawang subject. HCI, Human Computer yun, HCI and OS. May quiz kami mamaya actually. So, wish me luck and pray for me na passing score yung makukuha ko. So, I'm gonna bring you sa school. So, this is my uniform na guys. Ito yung ID ko. And I am already a 4th year student, bro. Last ko na lang this na year. And meron na ako ng 2 semesters, which is first semester na ngayon and last is second semester. But 4th year is like literal na survival. Kasi yung thesis pa lang namin, bro, napakagastos na. Nung nag-meeting kami about sa thesis namin na subject, I don't wanna spill the tea, but hoping and praying na thesis defended. Pray niyo ako guys, please lang. And yeah, so come with me to school. Let's go.
Hey guys. So, meron kami wait lang. Paano ka naka-20 kaganina sa quiz?
May notes ako. Nag-review ako.
Ambal mo wala ka nag-review, tapos busy ikaw sa code. Scammer. Ako, nagkasamagit ako, wala mo ako nag-review ko, na. Don't trust her, guys. May siya mang scam. So, guys, ito kasi yan. Sabi niya kaganina, hindi siya nag-review. Umpisa kagahapon. Tapos, syempre, kampante naman tayo, di ba? Di ba ganun naman talaga? And, kaganina sa quiz, 20 siya. 20 over 20. And ako is 14 over 20 lang. Like, damn, bro. Like, may trust issue na talaga ako. Starting now. So, yun. So, today is may mag-represent. And then, quiz after. Sana hindi. So, yeah. Ha? Okay, bye-bye. Hey guys, so uwian na namin and they are talking, I don't know what they're talking. Thank you, mom. Bye. Let's go home. Let's go home. What is your favorite subject?
Vacant.
For vacant, for me is going home.
Going home is my favorite subject.
Yes, how about you?
Huh?
What is your favorite subject?
I don't know. I don't know. I wanna go home.
Yeah, say.
My favorite
Papansin.
subject is doing nothing at all.
Yeah, me too. Kaya to. Huh? Naga pa man? Simila. Hey guys, so chismis na guys.
Kuya na.
These people. So guys, uwi na namin. Ano first subject, uwi na. So hey guys, so we are currently waiting for Sir, which is yung schedule niya today is 5:30 and 5:20 na and we're still waiting for him. Sabi niya kasi sa GCD daw siya. I don't know if pag we meet siya today, sabi niya sa GC is he won't, di siya like clarify enough. Pero basta, sana di siya mag-meet. So yeah, matiktok na kami. Bye! Bago kita ko man. Nabasag ng cellphone. Morning. So guys, wala gyapon si Sir. And ano oras na? What time is it? It's already 6:49 and yung class namin is 5 to 8.
Ay, papa, pag akong ready ako, natutulog mo.
Karmyo, buisit.
Matuwag iya.
Yung parang nakabaw-bahaw.
Nakaniya na, kaya na sino ito.
Nagyapon si Sir. Lalaro si Justin. Hey guys, wala pa si Sir and it's currently 7 p.m. na and 1 hour na lang before 8. Gauli ron ng most of the lower
Have you ever had a dream that you had you could
the lower year is already uwiing. Umuwi na sila, mga lower year. And
Papasok pa lang tayo.
papasok pa lang kami, bro. This is what it feels like. Papunta ka pa lang, pauwi na ako. Like the world. How about us, bro? So, guys, we're going home.
State of calamity mo.
State na ba ka?
State in nature.
Bansa eh, limaw.
Gabi of doing.
25. Jill, Jansel, and Sander. Kit Andrew. Sino to? Si Andrew. Kit Matthew and Jamie. Wala. 21. Randy. Ocean Lee. 19.
Ang punto state in nature yan.
Harvey and si Cyro. And si Mary.
20 now? Ha? 19? 25? 18? Baka kami nagkupya. Promise, wala kami nagkupya.
Ano mo gawin mo? Taas ko.
Galon na.
Dapat pag ano mo, taas ko. Galing. Ano, Arno?
14. 13.
Taas dus.
Lasin niya ko, dyan tawaan niyo gabi parang sabat, makarawa niyo kami tawaan. May pagkapan na gito pa, pero ako niya kung sino gagawa. Dito kami mga video.
So hey guys, so today is review kami. Review kami when may long quiz. Long quiz na bukon. Quiz lang. Bukon short, bukon long, quiz lang. Dahil 9 items mo lang imaw. Nang walang lang. Oh, 1 to 5 true false. Write the correct
If the answer is false, right.
So, So guys, pakita ko akong agi. Taran! Wala siya highlighter kasi wala ako kabakal. And also, kayo guys, wala man noon nakabakal. So yun lang, bye. Hey guys, so we are here sa bahay ni Tipay. In short, we are in Tipay's crib. So, the reason why we're here, because early out, and then 5:30 pa yung klase namin, which yung out namin kaganina is around 3, and so we still have like 2 hours bago mag 5:30. So the time today is 4:47. So malapit na mag 5. So guys, taya mong anong kaya ng coder?
Money.
Our money maker.
Ang kwarta, bayad ron.
So guys, go fight Sanda.
Adik, mas adik ang mga
Fight. Wait, tanggalin ko yung mic.
Mag-code ryan. Sige na sa doon.
Internet ko. Hi. So guys, may quiz kami after nito. And we don't know what is the lesson. So pray for us. Jebal yun. This is my notes. Taran! Super dami. Perfect score. So the time today is 5:39. So probably we're gonna go out around 8 p.m. 8 p.m. So bruh. Dito yung mga classmates ko. There we go. Yan sila guys. This will be your POV. Pob. There we go. Hacker mode. This is not the room guys. Dapat nasa kabila kami ng room. Yung yellow yung background. This is gray. Bale, meron dito ang tatlong computer sa itong lab. So, check na si sir attendance. Oh my god. Sir. So guys, BRB. Mag-klase na kami. Bye!
Hey guys, naglipat kami classroom. Naglipat kami room. So, we have here our distributor of papers. Source of paper. So, we would like to say thank you for Jaren Mendozaran for giving us paper for the first sem full coverage sa pag-provide ng papers.
I wanna go home na.
Yeah, me too. It's, 6 pa lang, 6:24. We still have. Bye guys. We are done with our class today. Oo, eh. Ato ba ganyan mag-bilis ko?
So, yung album mo is one. About number 8, kung wala na. So, 755.
What's this Mr.
Hi guys, so we are currently sa subject na thesis right now, and the explains is sir now it about ano ba gina-explain ni sir? Ano gina-explain ni sir kara? Ang ginatudlo nga topic. Okay. So the topic today is all about kung paano gumawa ng title research conceptual. So we are currently in a phase of being stressed of coming up with a research title or thesis title. Buti pa yung kaipin ko, meron na sila, tatlo sila. And here, the side, meron isa. Mine is not yet done, and hey guys, we are tired. Are you tired?
No, but I feel,
Nauseous.
yeah.
She feel nauseous, guys, and I am no more tired. Kapamati mayad ang akong kaiping, guys. Look. Yeah. So, we are currently in a PowerPoint kung saan hinahanap namin yung mga gaps if we were conducting a title. This is title proposal. Ha. Bye guys.